In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size in LibreOffice. To get started, open LibreOffice and load the document you want to work on. If you're starting from scratch, you can open a new document as well. Changing the page size is useful when you need your document to match a specific paper format, like letter, A4, legal, or a custom size for printing, forms, or special layouts. Once LibreOffice is open, look at the top menu bar. Find the Format menu and click on it. From the drop-down list, select Page Style. This will open a pop-up window where you can adjust settings related to your document's page layout. In that window, look to the left side panel and click on Page. This section contains the page setup options, including the paper size settings. After you click Page, look for the Paper Format section. This is where you can choose the size of your page. Click the drop-down field labeled Format to see a list of standard paper sizes. From there, select the option that matches what you need. For example, you might choose A4 for general documents, or letter if that's the standard format you use. If you need a custom page size instead of one of the preset options, you can manually enter your own measurements. To do that, type the dimensions you want into the width and height fields. This is especially helpful if you're creating something like a custom flyer, a booklet layout, or any document that doesn't fit a standard paper format. Make sure you enter the correct values so your final layout prints the way you expect. Once you've chosen a standard paper size or entered your custom dimensions, click Apply. This lets LibreOffice preview and accept the change within the settings window. Then click OK to confirm everything and close the pop-up. Your page size is now updated. If the document layout shifts a little after the change, that's normal, since different page sizes can affect spacing, line breaks, and image placement. It's a good idea to quickly review your document afterward to make sure everything still looks right. And that's it. You've successfully changed the page size in LibreOffice.